Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Realme 12 Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and click this button to skip introduction. Now click open permissions and click on AI assistant. Then click here to allow this app to display over other apps and click back. And now click back again and click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.